The Bangladesh Navy ship BNS Samudra is travelling to Karachi, Pakistan to participate in the International Fleet Review. The ship departed from Chattogram port on January 26 and will stay at Karachi port from February 7 to 11, where the naval exercise Aman 2025 will take place. The ship, led by Captain Mohammad Shahriar Alam, carries 274 sailors, including 33 officers. Rear Admiral Mir Ershad Ali of the Chattogram Naval Region was present at the port during the departure. Direct trade between Chattogram port and Karachi port began on November 14, 2024. Before this, a container ship named MV UN Ziang Fazong arrived in Chattogram from Karachi, carrying 825 TEUs of containers. There have also been recent military exchanges between Bangladesh and Pakistan. On January 17, 6 senior officers from the Bangladesh Army returned from a 6-day visit to Pakistan. On January 21, a 4-member Pakistani military team visited Bangladesh for 3 days. Additionally, reports suggest Bangladesh has shown interest in purchasing Chinese-made JF-17 Thunder fighter jets. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.